Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Chromecast and turning on your phone's hotspot. Make sure the adapter provides correct voltage so the dongle won't reboot. Once done, set a clear SSID and a short password, and prefer 4 GHz when the device struggles with 5 GHz. Next, open Google Home and choose Add Device. The app searches for nearby Chromecasts. You do this now because the Chromecast must see the hotspot during initial setup. Otherwise, it won't accept credentials. Once Google Home finds the Chromecast, you enter the hotspot SSID and password. Do this slowly so characters match, since mobile keyboards can auto-capitalize. If the device refuses to join, make the hotspot visible, switch to WPA2 or lower Wi-Fi band to 4 GHz. Chromecast models often have trouble with 5 GHz hotspots. You can also tether from a laptop acting as an access point or use a secondary phone for setup. These workarounds let the Chromecast accept the network without your main phone's connection interfering. After setup, ensure the Chromecast shows online in Google Home and complete any firmware updates. Those fixes often resolve stability problems. Then cast a short test video to confirm streaming. If it stalls, recheck hotspot password, restart both the phone and Chromecast, and make sure mobile data isn't forcing background network changes. If you still fail, power cycle the hotspot, disable battery saving on the phone, and retry setup within 2 minutes. Many connection attempts succeed only during that brief discovery window, so act quickly and methodically.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.